Here we are, Destination Adventure Overland. DAO invites you to Potts Mountain with our two newest team members. Well, we made it. You guys are here. We're at the entrance. You guys feeling it?
Feeling pretty tranquil with that creek rolling in the background.
Well, not nervous? Not scared?
Nervous, maybe.
Nervous? You're nervous? Not nervous. My open dips are nervous.
Yeah,
Would you be more nervous if I said you're leading?
Shit balls.
No. Good, because you're leading. Good. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Okay, let's talk stalls.
Place your bets.
Place your bets in the comments. How many times Felix is gonna stall versus how many times Aaron's gonna stall.
We're 3-2 right now.
We are
It's
2-2.
even. It's even. doing it? We can set up your winch. You can just have it ready with the button.
You want to hit it? No, one of you's diving in.
I don't care. I'll jump on your hood if I can.
Yeah.
All right,
He's
so
hitting it.
Who's going in?
He's going in.
woo!
Felix, if you could
Pull
move.
me out.
Actually, Felix, can you back up, go through, get on the other side in case we need to back you up and put
In territory.
You are-
Hey, hold on. Say it again.
Okay, so this obstacle right here. We have not done this. Me or Aaron have not done this. So this is the first time for someone.
Pan the camera here. Dylan. This one's for you.
Let's get the winch ready. I don't think you're going to need it, to be honest. But. Just waiting. Blah, 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 blah. Hey there, Sonny. What are we doing? All right, so let's take bets. If you hit both cameraman, that's 40 points. One cameraman's 20 points. Let's see who gets the most points.
Wait, what's the point system?
If you hit both cameramen, you get 40 points. If you hit one cameraman, you only get 20 points. If you hit none, you get 0. My goal is to hit both.
So just a quick question, asking for someone else, not me, but so are we talking like hit, or are we talking like hit?
Okay, if you soak the cameraman, you get 40 points. If you hit the cameraman, you get 60.
Done.
I'm so glad we got past all the hard stuff already.
Yeah, just so you know, the sun is dropping, so we may want to,
Pick up the pace a little.
All right, go for it.
Are you sure this is an obstacle?
No, this is the main trail.
You sure they didn't flip the sign?
No.